Hi everyone, welcome back to the Creative Coders. We have an extra special episode today on Mary Wilkes. Before we dive into the episode, let's remember that we are confident, creative, and capable coders as well as people in general. Mary Wilkes was an incredible lawyer and computer programmer who was instrumental in the creation of the Link computer. This computer was widely considered the first personal computer. Wilkes was not always drawn to computing and had a strong interest in law. In pursuit of this goal to become a lawyer, she went to Wellesley College and majored in philosophy and theology. In the early stages of her journey, though, she was dismayed by how many hurdles there were in the field of law for women. One of her teachers in 8th grade did, however, encourage Wilkes to become a computer programmer. This demonstrates the value of mentorship. As a technologist, it's our job to support others as they progress through tech spaces as well. Wilkes was advised by Oliver Selfridge and Benjamin Gold during her work for the Speech Recognition Project at MIT's Lincoln Laboratory. She contributed to this project from 1959 to 1960, and only in the span of a year made a major impact programming the IBM 704 and the IBM 709. Only a year later, in 1961, she started to work on the Link design under Wellesley A. Clark. She designed several key components of this work. Specifically, she designed the console and wrote the accompanying documentation to explain exactly how it worked. She also wrote some critical early Link assembly programs that allowed people to communicate with the computer. She is considered the first person to use a personal computer in her home. Wilkes explored her other passion, law, in 1972 when she attended Harvard Law School. She was a trial lawyer for many years after that and was a key figure in the trial advocacy program at Harvard from 1983 to 2011. There is a fascinating quote by Wilkes that I wanted to share with you. Quote, "We had the quaint notion that at the time that software should be completely, absolutely free of bugs. Unfortunately, it's a notion that never really quite caught on." The reason I pull this quote is because I want to emphasize that your first program, your second, your 550th program does not need to be perfect. That's what the process of iterating is for. I still forget some things from time to time, and that is totally okay. As a programmer, you will constantly be learning and creating, which is super exciting. But whatever you choose to do at this time can absolutely change. You might find multiple topics in your life that you love and want to pursue. I hope you're all having a wonderful weekend, and make sure to tune in to our Workshop Wednesday this week because it's going to be our second module in our data type series. Thanks everyone, and have a great rest of your day.